Hey everyone, I am recording this video from the lovely Sandia Casino. We have a meeting here, a conference here today for CNM faculty. The conference center actually isn't right here by the casino, but I thought that I had to make the video so that you could see the slot machines in the background. I just finished reviewing your second blog assignments, and I wanted to commend you all again on doing an excellent job of applying the ideas that you learned from the various sources we read to the blog posts that you made on topics in New Mexico history. Most of you did a great job at writing concisely and in a way that's engaging and interesting. Um, there are a couple of things that I think we noticed as we went through some of the standards for writing for the web. I think we all realized that um, shorter is better in a lot of ways because people just skim pages. They want to really get to the point and the heart of what you're saying quickly. For that reason, headings are key. Um, Bullet points are one of those things that can be kind of tricky when writing for the web or anything else. Um, they can be very helpful in conveying a list of information in a concise and quick way. But if we rely too much on the bullet points themselves, then the commentary and the kind of interesting part of the writing gets left out. So I wanted to point that out as you think about this style of writing going forward, to try to avoid just having lists of bullet points, and also, if you're going to use bullet points, adding shorter paragraphs around them to explain why the information you're presenting is important and interesting. Something else that I didn't require for this assignment is the use of images. And images, as a couple of you pointed out in your comments to each other, are an essential part of web writing and blogging. The reason I didn't emphasize that or assign it is that they can be difficult to include in Blackboard. So the Blackboard blog feature isn't the best for trying to include images, but that's something again to keep in mind. What kinds of images would you want to use to enhance and support your ideas as you write for the web? What kinds of images do you choose when we work on the course timeline? And then finally, Julie and a couple of others pointed out that looking at the entire picture of the presentation of a website is important as well. You want to present your information in a way that will be aesthetically pleasing so that your readers will come to your site and they won't be kind of met with a visual cacophony of difficult things to see and read, but instead they'll be able to read through easily what you've done. All right, so again, just a couple of comments and thoughts that came to me as I was reading through those. I'm working on your tweets for the last unit right now, and I've also visited the discussion board, so keep up the good work there, and of course we're almost done, so please let me know if you have any questions or concerns as we're going into our work on the final project.